Ships vanish. Radios go silent. No wreckage, no survivors, just empty seas near Japan. They call it the Devil's Sea or the Dragon's Triangle. For decades, vessels have disappeared here without a trace. Is it something supernatural or a danger science still can't explain? The legend behind the name. The Japanese have been side-eyeing these waters for like 1,000 years. Legends from way back talk about dragons just chilling under the waves, snatching ships and dragging them straight to the bottom. Then there was that time in 1281 where a massive Mongol armada, 900 ships, 40,000 dudes, all hyped to invade Japan, but none of them made it. The Japanese called it kamikaze, meaning divine wind, like the universe itself stepped in to save the day.